If you're new to investing and want to set up a Roth IRA, here's a simple step-by-step guide you can follow using any major investment app. First, download a trusted investment app. Popular options include Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. Create an account by providing your personal information, including your social security number and employment details. These are required for tax reporting purposes. Next, search for the option to open a new account and select Roth IRA from the list. The app may ask about your goals or risk tolerance. This helps them recommend investment options tailored to you, but you can always change these later. Now, link your bank account to fund your Roth IRA. For Tunave, you can contribute up to $7,000 if you're under 50. Choose how much you want to deposit now and whether to set up recurring contributions. Automating this can help you build wealth consistently. Once your account is funded, you'll need to choose what to invest in. A Roth IRA is just the container. The real growth comes from investments like index funds, ETFs, or stocks. For beginners, a broad market index fund like an S&P 500 ETF is a great place to start. Finally, review everything and hit submit. Congrats! You've just taken a huge step toward tax-free retirement savings. Keep in mind, a Roth IRA grows tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free too. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound growth.